Hello and welcome to a video overview for Bodo AI, the extreme performance parallel computing platform. My name is Riasanovsky, and I'm a senior software engineer here at Bodo AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of Bodo to give you a glimpse of what you can do with Python analytics workloads. But first, what is the Bodo platform? Bodo combines the simplicity of Python with supercomputing style performance, giving you the speed and scalability necessary to handle 10,000 plus cores and petabytes of data. But unlike other libraries or frameworks you may be familiar with, Bodo works directly with nearly the same native Python that you're already using. At its core, Bodo combines our automatic parallelization and end-to-end optimization with common open source APIs, such as Pandas, scikit-learn, and SQL to name a few. In addition, our high-performance connectors, when coupled with our support for many data sources, enable you to choose the storage solution that's best for you. Finally, the portability of the Bodo engine enables you to run your data pipelines on-prem or on any cloud with one of our managed cloud platforms. Now I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of the Bodo Cloud Platform. You can sign up for it by visiting our website, bodo.ai. In this example, we're going to be looking at the TPCx-BB benchmark suite, which serve as data engineering workloads for various applications, including machine learning pipelines. The TPCx-BB benchmark suite represents retail workloads using online transactions, in-store transactions, logs, and reviews. In particular, we're going to look at Query 26, which clusters customers together based on their purchase history. This is an interesting workload for us because it serves as a good example of the data prep and the feature engineering stages that are common to a machine learning pipeline. For this demo, we're going to use the Bodo Cloud Platform to create a Jupyter notebook and run our query inside AWS. To do this, we need to start by creating a cluster. So I'm going to click Clusters here, and then I'm going to click Create Cluster and enter our cluster details. Let's call our cluster TPCx-BB cluster, and we're going to be working with a pretty large data set of about 1 terabyte, so we're going to need some larger instances. I'm going to choose 4 of these C5N18X large instances. Now, that's 144 total cores, and in addition, Bodo's inferential compiler produces an optimized MPI binary that can take advantage of Amazon's Elastic Fabric Adapter network interface, which will make this cluster even faster. When I click Create here, our Bodo Cloud Platform is now going to queue up these instances to be created inside of AWS, and when they're finished creating, I'll be right back. Okay, now that our cluster is finished creating, let's create a notebook. If we click over to Notebooks here, let's select Create Notebook, and I'm going to call this notebook TPCx-BB Notebook, and link it to the cluster that we just created. All right, and in just a few moments, we'll have our notebook ready and we can run our example. Okay, now that our notebook has finished creating, let's run our example. So this is the pandas code for TPCx-BigBench Query 26. As you can see here, this is all just normal pandas code. Starts with read parquet, does some filtering, merge, group by with some user-defined functions, but this is just regular pandas. The only difference here is it runs with this Bodo JIT decorator so that it runs inside Bodo. Let's run this cell. And again, we're running this with scaling factor 1000, which means that the total size of all tables used in this dataset is 1 terabyte roughly. And executing this with Bodo, this took just under 6 seconds to execute. So as we can see here, we were able to take this pandas code, which you might be using something similar to run things sequentially on your laptop, and with Bodo, you can scale it to a much larger cluster. Here we're able to scale to 144 cores, but we've run this benchmark on much larger clusters and with a lot more data as well. If you're interested in that, you should check out our blog post at bodo.ai/blog, where we talk about scaling this to 4,500 cores. If you liked what you saw today and you'd like to try it for yourself, we'd love to have you join our developer community. The Bodo Community Edition is available for free through Anaconda and can be used on up to 4 cores. Also, you can apply on our website for a free trial for up to 128 cores. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Please consider visiting our website and stay tuned for more content in the future.